Impact TV presents a special health link program on World Cancer Day. Dr.Dhanabir Thangjam, Consultant Surgical Oncology, MBBS DNB General Surgery, Fellow Surgeon Onco at American Oncology Institute, Imphal. Dr. Brig A.K. Dhar, MD and Fellow Medical Oncology, Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. Senior Consultant, Medical Oncology and Hemato Oncology, American Oncology Institute at Babina Specialty Hospital, Khabai Jail Road, Imphal. Dr.Naorem Dhaneshwor Singh, MBBS, MS-ENT, Fellow Head and Neck Oncology, Senior Consultant Head and Neck Oncology, American Oncology Institute at Babina Specialty Hospital, Khabai Sajiwa Jail Road, Imphal. Dr.Ngangbam Sonamani, MBBS, Doctor of Medicine, Paediatrics, FNB, Paediatric Hemato Oncology Consultant. Dr.Th.Tomcha Singh, MBBS, MD Radiotherapy, FAIMS, PDCR, FICRO, former Professor and Head Department of Radiotherapy, RIMS, Senior Consultant, Radiation Oncology, American Oncology Institute at Babina Specialty Hospital, Khabai Jail Road, Imphal. Prof.Sapam Opendro Singh, MS, FSO, GCRI, former Professor, Department of Surgery, Surgical Oncology Unit, RIMS Hospital, trained at Advanced Laparoscopy for Cancer Surgery at Pune.